Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it rude to eat rice with chopsticks? When you are eating food with chopsticks, especially with rice, do not stick your chopsticks into your food or rice. This is seen as a curse in Chinese culture. This is taboo and said to bring bad luck because it reminds people of the incense used at a funeral. Is fried rice eaten with chopsticks? Also, rice is often served in a bowl can be easily held closer to your mouth, whereas in the West we generally eat from a plate on a table. In the West long grain rice is more popular, but the grains don't stick together well. Things like chicken fried rice are rather hard to eat with chopsticks. Can you eat curry with chopsticks? Try eating curry rice with chopsticks. It will be difficult as it will mostly fall back into your plate. Curry is basically a liquid, similar to a stew. Yes, it is eaten with rice, but the liquid makes the rice hard to pick up with chopsticks. Is it rude to finish your food in Japan? Not finishing one's meal is not considered impolite in Japan, but rather is taken as a signal to the host that one does not wish to be served another helping. Conversely, finishing one's meal completely, especially the rice, indicates that one is satisfied and therefore does not wish to be served anymore.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.